And more reactions now from Clarendon stakeholders about the state of emergency declared in the parish yesterday. One suggestion from residents is for the security forces to allow parties to as normal to help lure gangsters and wanted men. TVJ's DWAYNE Anderson has that report.
Business operators and residents of Clarendon are waiting for confirmation from the security chiefs about the time restrictions that will come with the state of emergency that was announced on Thursday. But the reality is that some businesses won't have a difficulty coping with shorter operating hours, because that's been their reality for some time.
Most of the business people are timid, so they close earlier than normal, especially those who incidents have happened to them. But I'm just assuring them now that the measures are here, that they will be safer.
Residents had a few suggestions for the security forces on how to help nab the criminal elements. It involves a bit of covert operations and reverse psychology.
We with them at lack of party and dance. If you lack of party and dance and stuff like that, or you get the criminal them to come out. So make event them still equipped, because I say criminal them come out and have some undercover police go to venue them and stuff like that, where they can see what's going on. And you can do your investigation and stuff like that from that.
ZULEIKA JESS is the People's National Party PNP candidate caretaker for Clarendon Central. She's also a lawyer. She had a few tips for residents on how to legally navigate the S.O.E.
Ensure that you walk with your identification cards at all times, because we know that that is a basis on which you can be held in circumstances where you do not have identification cards with you. So give the police, give the military your full support, but be prepared.
In the main, residents of Clarendon we spoke with are in support of the measure. They feel it is necessary to help halt the bloodletting in the parish.
I'm glad to see what man, I hope they continue to do it. And nobody do it for 2 days and 3 days, and then afterward everything done. Because when them do, then we do a thing, and then we say them to do this, and by 1 week, you don't hear nothing about it again. So please, I hope they continue with it. You understand? Because look, hard for people life just go down in vain. So we're not bird.
DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.